I have founded a new image engine to optimize every image in our website. Hello developers, my name is Milad and welcome to my channel. In here I have some codes which display some images in an image tag and source which comes from these links in the array. So I just want to show you how to reduce the size of them without reducing resolution. In our browser, let's check it out. Our project, this is images with high resolution effects. So let's just go to inspect in network tabs. Let's just reload and you can see the size of every images and they are high. So with this engine I want to reduce the size of these images. Just head to this website which is called Image Engine. I put the link into the description. You must first sign up to the website. After signing up, the counter with this, it asks you to put some URL. For that, come back to VS Code and you can see this part of URL is repetitive and they are same. Just copy them and back to website and paste them in here. And the type of HTTP is HTTPS. Just hit create engine. After that, it generates a dummy link to us. You must replace this address to my original address, which is this part. So let's just copy them. And for using that, back to VS Code, in source attribute, we just say a link. So just put a dot and use replace function. This method accepts two parameters, the original string and the string we want to replace. So the first part is skipped for now. Let's do the second part. The second part is the string we want to replace and it generates from image engine. So let's just paste it in here. The first part of parameters is here. So let's just copy and paste them in here. Before we save, let's back to browser to our project and go to elements. You can see it starts with https cdn.pixabay.com. So after saving and back, you can see it changed to a dummy link gives us. So it's worked very perfectly and it's replaced with our original link. So let's just check the size. Again, come back to network tab, just refresh and let's check. As you can see, it reduced size of pictures into twice. It works very perfectly and it helps to load these images very fast in our website. So just note that this is not a free website. It just allows you 30 days to use. If you want to use into your project, you must pay for subscription. In here, you can see the subscription and you choose whatever you want. This is about image optimization. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel.